Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I have this very easy fall look for you guys. I wanted to review the Born This Way foundation, the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I am wearing Truffle. I got Ganache and I have Truffle. I don't know where Truffle is. Okay, so I got the samples of Ganache and Truffle. I don't know what's wrong with my language today, and I decided to try both, but I just ended up using Truffle, and I am in love with this foundation. Like, look at how it just, oh my gosh. Anyway, so this video is about that, and also I tried out the Mercier Radiance primer. I got it in my Beauty Insider, whatever kits you get, and we'll see how it goes. So yeah, this is what we're working with today. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. If you haven't liked this video, please do like it, and let's get into the video. So guys, today I'm going to be trying the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I got Ganache. This is Ganache. I got Ganache and I got Truffle. I believe that's what it's called, Truffle. I think Ganache is darker than Truffle, but I'm gonna try Born This Way today. I've heard a lot of reviews about this foundation, so I just want to try it as I, spend my day, and hopefully this time around I will come back with like what do you call it, after, like, what it looks like after. And also, I stay going to Sephora. I don't even buy nothing, I just escort people there. With my points, I got this Mercier package. It's the thing you get. I had 500 points, so I was like, okay, let me get this, because most importantly I wanted the powder. You guys know I usually use this Mercier translucent powder. This is a regular translucent one. It comes with a lip gloss, a lip gloss, I believe. I'll be trying that out today as well, hopefully, depending on how the look goes. And it comes with a primer, which I want to try out. It's the Radiant Primer, and it comes with a highlighter, which is for white people. I'm sorry, this is like the lightest shade. It is the lightest shade, and they don't give options to choose as per your skin tone for all these, points boxes, which is what I don't like. They need to start creating the ones that fit for everybody. I can go and say, okay, I'm dark skin, so I get the option for dark skin, because most times it's only for fairer complexions. So, and also, I stay getting samples at Sephora. I also got some more testers that I'll be trying out. I got the Fenty Beauty in 480. You guys know I use 470, but I just wanted to see how 480 will be on me. I don't think I'll come on with a review on that, but maybe I will use it as I do a video. And then I got the Cover FX foundations, the natural finish, which is like a glowy, and also the Power Play. I got it in 125. And which other one did I get? And I got the Natasha Denona. I got it in 96. I just saw it and I picked it up. I've never even heard of the brand, to be honest, so I probably will come up with a review on that. This is not necessarily a talk through video. Well, I'm gonna talk when I'm applying the foundation and the primer mostly, but every other thing will be sped up, because to be honest, I don't want to be late to where I'm going to. So let's get into the video. So this is the Radiant Primer. This is the bigger the main one comes in a bigger tube than this. This is just, like I said, the insider, the Beauty Insider thingy. So I tried it on my palm the other day. It wasn't bad. It's gonna look light on me. Hopefully this is not how we're looking the rest of the day, so I'm just gonna apply. It's a primer, right? Foundation primer, Radiance. That's what it says. Okay. I have a long day today. I'm worried. I don't want to get matte, so I don't want to get oily, sorry. So let me just apply a little bit on my nose. So like I said, I think this is truffle, this is ganache. You can't really see it, but I think ganache is slightly darker. Let me just go in with truffle first and see what it do. I think I'm just gonna use truffle today, guys. Let's just do truffle today. I'm not gonna mix it up. I'm just going to use a beauty blender to blend this out and see what it do. OGEbeats.com. I am loving this coverage. Okay, you see, this is how my foundation is. If you watch my previous video, you could see that the Huda Beauty was, they need to create darker shades. I'm dark, but I can imagine what those, you know, gorgeous blue black melanin people will be going through when the darkest shade is literally like lighter than me. Like, what are those? But anyways, it's not a bad coverage at all. So I'm just gonna complete the rest of my face with my my eyes, everything, finish up the face. I'm not gonna make that a talk through. All right, guys. This is a nice blend. Okay, I mean, it blends. It doesn't mean that I blended it well, but you get the concealer and the foundation. Like, look at everything with my neck. Oh, child, I am feeling this foundation. Okay, now I'm just gonna set my face. Okay.
Purchase your tracks today.
gebeats.com.
Purchase your tracks today.
So this is the finished look, guys. As you can see, something very simple to achieve, like literally just 2 eyeshadows. And yeah, I really love the simplicity of it and how sultry it looks. You guys know I love easy looks. I like to play makeup, but at the same time, these are my go-to type of looks. The hair is kind of covering it, but you can still see the eyes. I'm really in love with this eye look, you guys. I love it. I absolutely love it. Anyways, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't, and as always, don't forget to leave and not exist. I love you guys, and God loves you. I will see you in my next video. Mwah.
Purchase your tracks today.
So guys, this is my face literally 13 hours later. Like this is me 13 hours later, looking like a pan of oil. But anyways, I think the foundation held up. I think it actually held up because the primer that I used, remember, it's a radiant primer, and it's kind of like a glowy highlighter. So I think the foundation really held up, because if I had used a foundation that wasn't good, I would have, you know, I blotted my face a lot of the times during the day. Because listen, I went to church, I danced, I went for a birthday party, I danced, I dabbed my face. Listen, this foundation really held up, because child, it is a foundation. I'm not necessarily overhyping it or anything. I'm just saying, especially for the primer that I use, I if I had used my Becca primer in my T-zone, I think it would have, you know, held up better. But I think for, you know, it did. I had to apply powder sometime towards the end of the day when my face was really oily because I had to head out. If you look closely, I cannot zoom in from here, but if you can see that, you know, my skin is beginning to show through, and the oiliness is just mostly around here. You can see underneath my eyes it's really still dry. This place always remains dry and my eye just here remains dry while the rest of my face gets oily. But so I was able to come and do an after with this one, which I'm grateful I did because I almost lazed out and did not do it. But anyways, this is it guys for the foundation. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.